Hi, this is Dr. Herman from Dr. Herman Essentials. I want to present something called Tuna Salad Delight. If you are a seafood and fish lover, you'll like that. This is another example to show you how you can use products from Dr. Herman Essentials. It is very easy to make, but the outcome is unique and remarkable. You can go to your local grocery store and buy pre-made tuna salad, or you can make it from scratch at home in your kitchen. What you need is a bowl, tuna salad, lemon oil, and something to mix. So I already put 3 heaping tablespoons of tuna salad in this bowl, and now I add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3, and then we mix it thoroughly, and then it's ready to be spread on a slice of bread, with or without mayonnaise, with or without cheese, or you serve it on a bed of lettuce with thinly sliced onions, cucumber, tomatoes, and you top it with shredded cheese of your choice. The lemon oil adds this characteristic and distinct freshness of the lemon. Bon appetit, try it. We would like to hear from you what you think about this recipe. Please provide us with your feedback either by phone 484-593-7064 or send us an email to info@drhermanessentialoils.com. Thanks for watching. More to come.